Oceans cover about 70% of the planet's surface and would be the seventh largest economy in the world if it were a country. The blue economy emphasizes the economic potential of the ocean and other coastal resources, along with addressing other environmental long-term benefits. Interface solutions support the thriving and growing global blue economy by providing sensor technologies for exploration, research, energy production, sustainability, transport, and aquaculture activities. Interface's collection of submersibles, subsea and ruggedized load cells, load pins, tension links, and instrumentation is meticulously designed to cater to diverse submersible and harsh environment applications. Interface's submersible and environmentally protected load cells and instrumentation can be used in various aspects of the blue economy, including applications in fisheries, cargo handling and shipping, mining, aquacultural monitoring, and offshore renewable energy. As activity in the blue economy expands rapidly, so does the impact of technological advances. Here at Interface, we offer sensor-based advancements that can be used in various ways within different facets of the blue economy.